It is every man's dream to find the perfect girlfriend who will love and respect him for who he is. However, in reality, it is not always easy to find a woman who will respect you. If you are wondering how to make a woman respect you, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we are going to talk about 6 ways to make a woman respect you. Keep watching to learn more. 1. Don't be afraid to walk away. One of the most important things to remember when trying to make a woman respect you is that you have to be willing to walk away. You don't always have to prove yourself or stand your ground, but it's important to know when enough is enough. If a woman is not respecting you, then it may be time to move on. It's okay to set boundaries and communicate how you want things to be. If a woman crosses those boundaries and doesn't respect them, then it's time for you to draw the line and walk away. This will show her that your values matter and that you won't accept anything less than respect from her. It sends a strong message that will let her know she needs to treat you with respect if she wants you around. 2. Avoid being overly dependent on her. Don't be the guy who always needs her. There's nothing more unattractive to a woman than a man who's too clingy and needs her for everything. It comes across as needy and desperate, and it's a huge turn-off. Women want a man who is strong and self-sufficient, someone who can handle things on his own. So don't be that guy who always needs her input or advice. Be confident in your own abilities, and show her that you can handle things without her. When you do need her help or input, ask for it in a way that doesn't make you seem overly dependent on her. 3. Give her space when she needs it. Sometimes, a woman may need her own space, and it is essential that you are respectful of that. Giving her the freedom to go out with her friends or do what she needs without your supervision can show that you trust her and understand her need for independence. This will help to demonstrate your dependability, and she will start to respect you for it. Also, if she is feeling upset or having a bad day, don't pressure her into talking about it when she isn't ready. Everyone needs their own time to work through difficult emotions, so give her patience, comfort, and understanding if she needs them. This will show that you are reliable and supportive, which are qualities any woman would admire. 4. Work on developing yourself as a person instead of waiting for her to develop you as a man. The best way to make a woman respect you is to demonstrate that you have self-respect and are taking active steps to become a better version of yourself. The key is to focus on being a better person, not just becoming more attractive or appealing. For example, strive to be kind, compassionate, and honest in all of your dealings. Women often appreciate it when men take initiative and make an effort to be better humans. It's also important to take care of the basics, like showing up on time, keeping your promises, and doing what you say you're going to do. Women may not overtly acknowledge these things, but they will respect them nonetheless. Also, don't neglect physical appearance, such as having good posture, dressing well, and taking care of yourself by exercising and eating healthily. The bottom line is that respect comes from demonstrating that you have self-respect and are dedicated to improving yourself as a person overall. This could involve constantly learning new skills, gaining knowledge, or growing spiritually. The process of bettering oneself can come in many forms, all of which are equally valuable in earning her respect. 5. Have your own identity so you're not just an extension of her. A woman needs to know that you are your own person, so don't be an extension of her. That doesn't mean you can't share similarities or common interests, but it does mean that you need to have a strong sense of identity and be able to stand on your own 2 feet. She needs to know that you are confident in who you are and will stand up for yourself. You don't have to be perfect, but being able to speak your mind and having an opinion will earn her respect. Sometimes the urge to please women is instinctive, but try your best not to give in. It only shows her that you have no self-confidence or sense of individuality. Women appreciate a man who knows himself and isn't afraid to tell her what he thinks even if she doesn't always agree with him. Showing conviction and determination will make her see you as someone with qualities she can respect and admire. 6. Maintain your composure at all times. One of the most important things that you can do to make a woman respect you is to maintain your composure at all times. It's easy to lose your temper in high-pressure situations, but it won't show her that you value her opinion or her as a person. In moments of stress, take a few deep breaths and remind yourself why you are in the conversation in the first place. When approaching difficult topics, remain calm and speak with respect, even if the other person isn't affording you the same courtesy. Practicing assertiveness, not aggression, is key. Speak clearly but don't be aggressive, and don't be afraid to set boundaries if necessary. This shows that you are capable of making decisions for yourself and standing up for yourself, traits that people respect.